everybody, it's your favorite Brittany at Teeth and Tendrils, and first I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Yay! And skirt! Before we go any further, make sure you subscribe and like and share with all your friends. Now that business is out of the way, let's get started. Today we'll be talking about 2018 DeclHAIRations. See what I did there? So around this time, the end of January, a lot of people made a lot of great New Year's resolutions, New Year, new me, this, that, the third, and they didn't stick. No tea, no shade, no judgment, that's just what it is. Personally, I was supposed to be working out more. I've been once, but that's okay. It's cool. Minor details. But my point is that a resolution is kind of a fad. It doesn't necessarily stick, and I think a lot of times people do it because other people are making resolutions and because there's a sense of renewal with this January the 1st start date. But I'm here to remind everyone that we don't have to have a January the 1st start date to make changes in our lives, and specifically our hair regimens. We can start that now. So for me, a declaration is a promise to myself, hey, this is what I want to incorporate or continue into my regimen, and regardless of the date, this is what I'm sticking to. So I thought of a few, and here they are. Declaration number 1, regular deep conditioning. Now, if y'all follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you know that I am a huge proponent of deep conditioning. Personally, it just gives my hair so much life. Good old snapback for the people. Deep conditioning is just everything, and I think a lot of people overlook that step. So here's live footage of me deep conditioning, and honestly, in order to determine what regular means for you, you've got to figure out what your hair likes and what you and your schedule can permit. It could be every week, every 2 weeks, every month. It's different for everybody. So for me, I tend to wash my hair about once a week, give or take. And so I've been incorporating a deep conditioning treatment into my regimen every wash day, except when I've been negligent, but again, minor details. But yeah, regular deep conditioning is so major. So that's my first one. Second declaration, no direct heat. Girl, just put the flat iron down. Trust me on this. The flat iron it's just terrible for your hair, especially, if you're trying to see your natural hair pattern. Girl, just let it go. And honestly, there's so many other styles that you can do without the flat iron. Buns, braids, weaves, cornrows, ponytails, bantu knots, twist outs, braid outs, twists. There's just so many that you can do without the flat iron. So trust me on this. Tell him peace out and keep it moving. My final natural hair declaration is to not compare your hair journey with others. Of course, you want to learn as much as you can from your curl friends, from the internet, all that good stuff. But ultimately, it's best to realize that your natural hair journey is unique. Nobody else has your hair head. Nobody else has been through what you and your hair have been through. So I'll just talk about me. I've been natural since 2012, and in my head, I think, oh, I should have hair down to my butt. It should be super thick, but it's not. And I had to learn how to embrace this, and honestly, I love it. And I hope that I can inspire another shorter haired, fine headed natural that this is just as beautiful as the super long, super thick. The point is, it's all beautiful. And I just want everyone to embrace whatever stage they're in, whatever their natural hair looks like, and just rock it. So that's it for today. Next video will definitely be a tutorial for a sexy, classy flexi rod set for Valentine's Day. So you don't want to miss that. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you then. Bye.